We're trying to create a big nature reserve, and I think what it shows is what the power of what communities can do. At the moment, we're trying to double the size of the Taris Valley Nature Reserve, so that'll bring it to 10,500 acres, which is one of the largest community buyouts in southern Scotland. The fundamental of it is that we know that, like, to have that impact for nature, we need scale. It's really exciting because we're actually finding species that people didn't know existed in the region on the reserve. The land is a designated special scientific interest and a special protection area for hen harriers. I think we've got 5 nests this year, so it's a really, really good year. We're really excited about continuing to see the harriers return into the reserve. What we really want to do is show that actually by restoring nature and working alongside nature, actually can have a lot of benefits for people. So whether that's through job creation, increased employment, local economic benefits through more people visiting. We've got lots of different ways of bringing in income, things like ecotourism, renewable energy, agricultural subsidies. They're still something that we're hoping that we'll be able to benefit from in the future. We've got some elements of commercial forestry on the reserve, so they're again a benefit for the community. It is a forever project for us. All the hard work we're putting in now, those benefits are for future generations, and the children that are growing up here now will have benefits from that land and all the opportunities that provides, which is a really amazing part of a community-led approach.